Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am here on the Disney Wish and I wanted to give you a quick little room tour of 10073. This is a category 11A standard inside stateroom. So let's go and take a look. So this room is located right in between both of the elevators and stairs, right in the middle, which is super nice and convenient. So when you walk in, you are going to have your light switch. You are going to need a key card or a dummy key in order to work the lights. To the left, you're going to have a connecting door here so you can connect to the room next to you if you had it. And then we've also got this little hook right here. And then on this side, we have a couch that will fold down into a bed. They're gonna come in later at night and do that for you. This room does sleep 3, so you're gonna have 1 here and then 2 in that bed. And I love all of the gold little glitter in the couch. It's super pretty. You've also got a nice little sea table and this cute Moana picture. And then here is the bed area. You will have a privacy curtain, so if you want, you can pull that all the way over there if you wanted. And then they have this cute Wish blanket. It's super pretty. I love the color. And then on this side, you're going to have your side table. Got some room there. You've got all sorts of different outlets as well as some different lights here and a lamp. I love the little Mickey. And then here is the backdrop. I love this one. This one is Moana. I absolutely love it. I just think it's so pretty. And then on the other side, you have this TV here, another side table, and some other outlets, as well as your different lighting and your lamp. Then over here you have your little desk area. You're gonna have your trash can and a little stool. You've also got this whole vanity area, as well as this big mirror with a lot of light. You've got some shelves, your phone. You've also got some different cups and a ton of different outlets over here. This also has some different drawers. So in this one, you've got your hair dryer, and then here is your beverage cooler. And then you have this drawer, which has your breakfast menus, as well as these cute pictures that you can take home with you, and a little pen and paper and an envelope. And then you have your closet right here. So it's got some nice shelves. You'll have your life vests up there. And then you also have a safe as well. And then you have a bunch of hanging storage on that side. You have this big full-length mirror. And now let's go and take a look at the bathroom. So in this one, you do not have a split bathroom. It's all in one. So you'll have your toilet. You'll then have your shower tub combo. And you can pull this handle down. It is adjustable. You'll have 2 shelves. You'll also have their shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. You'll also have some other little shelves here, along with some body lotion. And then you'll have this big mirror. You've got your sink, some other extra storage shelves for you, and a trash can. Well, that's a room tour of 10073 here on the Disney Wish. I hope you guys found this a bit helpful, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!